Pillowcase chair covers create a beautiful and elegant look for any event. To install, first locate the top corners and opening at the bottom. Pull the opening over the chair and continue to pull the chair cover over the chair until the top corners and seam meet the top of the chair. Pull the cover across the seat and to the floor. Adjusting the fabric is an important step. You'll want to alter the fabric in the front to make sure the chair cover touches the floor, and be sure to smooth the fabric to the back of the seat, making sure there's enough fabric on the seated section of the chair so guests are able to comfortably sit on the chair. Note, as you adjust, the fabric of the chair cover will move, so the top crease of the chair cover may not be exactly parallel to the top of the chair. Now that the fabric is perfectly aligned with the ground and properly prepared for seating, grab the top corners of the fabric and pull to the back of the chair. Tie the corners in a double knot to complete the installation.